Changing the header colors for the default theme in WordPress. This tutorial will show you how to change the header colors for the default theme in WordPress. Click the Appearance section. The instructions in this tutorial only apply to the default theme for WordPress 2.7. Other themes may have their own theme-specific controls. Check the documentation included with the theme for assistance with controlling other themes. Click the Header, Image, and Color link. First, let's change the color of the text. Click the Font Color button. Click one of the colors. Click the Close Color Picker button. Next, let's change the colors for the background. Click the Upper Color button. Click one of the colors. Click the Close Color Picker button. Click the Lower Color button. Click one of the colors. Click the Close Color Picker button. Let's start over and do this in a different way. Click the Revert button to revert to the last saved version of the header. Click the Advanced button. You can use either valid CSS color names or hexadecimal color values to specify the colors. Enter the new font color value. Enter the new upper color value. Enter the new lower color value. We can also choose to hide the text. Click the Toggle Text Display button. Click the Toggle Text Display button again. Click the Update Header button to save the changes to the header. Now let's go to the site. Click the site link. The site is now showing our new header colors. Let's change it back to the default colors. Click the Advanced button. Click the Select Default Colors button. Click the Update Header button. Let's go back to the site. Click the site link. The default colors have been restored. Congratulations! You now know how to change the header colors for the default theme in WordPress.